everyone, today this is Shio. So I got a new airplane model, but it's so huge. Let's open it. Wait a second. What should I do with this? So this is the airplane model. You can see the picture about A380 inside this Bamboo Airways. Let me ask Mom.
Let me do it.
Okay, so we had to open it. So
Here. Yeah.
Oh my. Here we go.
Here goes nothing. Uh-oh.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
Here it is. Oh, it's big. Wait,
And-
it's upside down.
So this is the Bamboo Airways.
It's very big. Let's open it.
Ooh.
There's a stand. There's the airplane.
Landing gears.
And there's a stand. You can put it on this airplane.
Okay. It's
How do I do this?
open it.
You can take it off too. If you don't want it, you can take it off. There it is.
Oof.
There it is.
Okay. So we had to put it on the table. So let's go. So we on the desk. So we had to put the stand on Bamboo Airways. Or you can hold it and drive. But be careful.
Drive?
You can fly with it.
Uh-huh.
But you must be careful. Do not drop anything. You got it?
No.
Okay.
No, I didn't get it. Oh, it's like that. There. Much better.
So you can see the Bamboo Airways. Is it cool, huh? Give us a thumbs up. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Like and subscribe for